Hey there, Crystal Thompson here for Unity Stamp Company. Today I have a vellum background overlay over a brand new stamp that I think is going to bring another look to this awesome background. And I know that when we get background stamps, it's difficult to utilize them in different ways. So I thought a vellum overlay would make it easy and nice and clean, and then splatter the whole thing with a little bit of watercolor to really change things up. So we're going to be using the Plant Kindness stamp set. I have a 5.5 by 4.25 card base. I have the Plant Kindness that I had gone ahead and colored with Copic, and then I have another piece of vellum. We're going to begin by splattering the edges of our card base or card panel, depending on what you decide to do, using a beautiful green watercolor. And then we're going to also add some kind of slightly pink coral color to it. I have added a piece of foam adhesive to the back, and this is one-sided foam adhesive. I've added roller adhesive to the back and then placed the side that's not sticky, remove the back side of the sticker part, and now you have a nice full sheet of foam adhesive, which is going to prevent any sagging or any curvature to your cardstock. Then I'm going to go ahead and flicker with some more watercolor, and my idea behind this is that I would get watercolor on the back side of that card base, and then by adding some more watercolor to the top. I'm going to clean off my brush, and if you wanted to make it a bit lighter, you can always just add some more water. Then, as I mentioned, we're going to use a coral peachy color that matches the beautiful coloring on this stamp. And I really wanted to, like I said, consider different ways to use background stamps. And I thought vellum overlays are really easy because it doesn't take away too much from the image. You can still lift it and see the coloring. And in my case, my Copic coloring is really, really dark. So I'm going to have that overlay and I'm going to place it on top. And since vellum is transparent, I'm going to add a piece of foam adhesive to raise it to the top. And I've double rolled that so it's folded over, so you have like two layers of it. And then I'm going to place the vellum right on the center of the cardstock. And don't worry, I know you can see that foam adhesive, but we're going to come in and add one of the sentiments included in the Plant Kindness background. So I have the Hug Me stamped with black ink onto white cardstock, and I cut it into a paper ribbon, and I'm going to place it right over that location where the adhesive would be to really hide it all. And guys, that does it for me. We're not doing any more embellishment beyond this. I feel like the whole card is nice, clean, and simple, and it doesn't take away too much. In person, it is really pretty. It's really difficult to photograph, but I think you'll really enjoy it. This is Crystal for Color Combos. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you later.